Okay, boys and girls, we're going to have a show and tell. As you know, if you followed me on the forums, I'm going to recreate the Trevithick engine of 1805. And the Trevithick engine had a four-way rotary valve to operate the cylinder, the steam cylinder, which drove the engine. And last week I finished copying Mr. Trevithick's method of making a four-way valve, and I've installed it. This is the four-way valve up here. Here's a flag on the end of the cylinder rod that you'll see moving, and here's the cylinder sitting in this cheap nasty vise. The one thing I've got to say about some of this stuff is it's not very pretty, and when I made it more with getting something that worked in mind than making something pretty. I'd have been perfectly happy with it had it turned out pretty, but I'm not going to put a great deal of effort into it because it's all hidden inside the boiler on the Trevithick engine, and the only part that sticks up is this piece right here, and it is cosmetically fine. So hang on while I plug my air in. And now, here we have my valve. So you can see that by the operation of that rotary valve back and forth, the cylinder's going back and forth. I'm running out of air right there now, but I'm quite happy with that. That works as well as I had hoped it would, or possibly better. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you stick around to see me put the rest of the machine together. I think I'm going to get the big flywheel water jet cut because it's not horribly complex, but it gets complex if I have to mill it all out of solid stock. So tomorrow I will send out the big flywheel to the water jet cutters and get a price on that. And thank you all for having a look.